want to see pictures of my dogs? I have it here.
Okay, I'm gonna
Sit here.
listen to this in the chair while you ask questions.
If it says wreck, it's because it is, right? It's gone.
What?
It's gone. It's gone. Is it on already? The box?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna need you to get me out of this. You're gonna need to like tap me somewhere because I'm gonna freak out. So like,
Knee? Right, left, right knee.
yeah, like decent,
Okay.
like a decent tap.
Okay.
Maybe try to stomp.
You can't listen?
Don't like sneak up on me.
No, we're gonna do this. Well, it's gonna be some. Can you listen? Can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay. Is there anybody here that wants to talk to us? Can you talk on that spirit box? You can get words. She's gonna be able to hear your words. Sheriff, you're there? You're there, Sheriff? Do you want to talk to us? Is there anyone else that want to talk to us? Miss Lulu? Do you like that we're here? We came here to talk to you, to know your story. Can you talk to us? Just a little? You used to work here? Did you like working here? Sheriff, do you like your guns? Can I take one of your guns? Can I go close and take your guns? I'm gonna get this gun, is that okay? This one? Can I get this gun? Does your favorite gun? This one? This one I'm touching? Can you say something to us? Any word? Is there any gun that you prefer me to take? Can I take this one? Do you like sitting at your desk? Can I touch this typewriter? The typewriter? I heard there's a treasure in there. Is there something hiding inside the typewriter? Is it a treasure? Can I check and see?
I keep hearing like clicking, typing noise.
Can you keep typing? Are you trying to type something to us?
Like really fast.
Wow, good. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. So there is a treasure inside this typewriter. Can I touch it? Or you don't want me to touch it? Is that it? Can I look at it? Underneath the typewriter? Are you keep typing? Can you type something real quick? Was it a letter? Are you try to hide your treasure on the typewriter? Is it Sheriff? Sheriff, who was he? Was you the one typing? Who was typing? Who was typing in the typewriter? I'm going to touch the typewriter. Is that okay? Can I look underneath? I'm going to look underneath now. I'm going to do it. Oh, it's heavy. It's a very heavy typewriter, isn't it? Is that because there's something in there? Who's typing? Can you tell us the name? You still working? Do you want us to leave? Can you type again if you want us to leave? Can you touch any of the lights? Can you make any noise? Can you touch this red light? If you're here. Can you tell us your name? Is your wife here? Miss Lulu? So I see you like your typewriter better than your guns. Is that true? You like the typewriter more? Is it because there's something in there? Can I take one of those guns home? I'm going to take one of those home. Which one can I take home? Are you really attached to those guns? Can you tell me anything? Do you want us to leave? You don't want to talk to us anymore. Just say something, touch a light, and now leave. We'll get it out right now. And we're going upstairs. Where is it better to talk to you? Is there any other place we can go to talk to you?
Yeah.
Where is it? Upstairs? Upstairs better to talk to you? Do you want us to leave and go somewhere else? Do you want us to keep here and talk to you? Can we go upstairs where Sarah is? Will she talk to us? Will you talk to us somewhere else? I don't really think we're talking to the sheriff. Who are you? Who are you? Did you just blink those lights right now? Can you do it again? Was it you? Who are you? You're not the sheriff, are you? Who was typing? Do you like your typewriter? Is that what you did? Type? I guess we're going to leave now. Is it for us to leave?
Sorry.
I did what you said.
I know, but it's
You're not saying
total
anything.
deprivation. I'm not hearing anything. I hear
Yeah,
like,
but that's what I thought. I didn't know.
yeah.
So okay, we got two good things.
Holy shit.
You got two good things.
There was one.
I filmed it. What?
Hold on. That's like you're.
It's not too much. They don't want to talk too much. They don't want to, but the lights flickering ones and the typewriting. I was talking about the typewriter. I was filming the
I
typewriter.
heard a lot of typing, but not when I heard a lot.
No, when
And
you
I
said.
kept waiting, and it literally sounded like, not like you're hearing. I could hear.
So when you said I was talking for a few minutes about the typewriter, with the typewriter, and you said you heard the typing. And I said, are you typing? Do you want to type some more? And then you started typing faster.
Really? Really?
Yeah. And then,
That's kind of weird.
And then, yeah.
That's what I could hear.
I thought it was weird because I was asking about the typing, and then you said.
I'm sorry, my stuff's all over.
No, you're good. I go this way.
We'll take it. And then I asked if they want us to leave it. No, I said if they wanted to leave and it didn't answer it. And then I said if there's any other place that's better to talk to you, and he said yes. He said yes. But then he didn't say. I kept asking where is it.
Better place to talk to you.
Yeah,
And I said
it's
yes.
like you're not talking too much. Want us to leave? And it didn't say anything. And then I said, is it another place that's better to talk to you? And then you said yes.
Oh,
But those are the two
that's
things.
pretty weird.
The typewriter and the yes were the two things that we got. Is it you? No. Something with the typewriter today. Oh, yep.
That went off.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's because that's there.
It's too close.
Oh, okay, it's still wanting to go off. Every time that goes off, that's interesting. I didn't know that. Edna, is that you? When I say Edna, because I don't know if you've heard her, but she's one of Sheriff Joe Perry's daughters.
Oh,
She likes to play the hide and seek, stuff. So,
I
you want to play
see.
hide and seek?